This is Bharath Components, where innovation meets Make in India power.
Right here, we're manufacturing high-performance BLDC motors for drones. 100% made in India, built for the skies, and trusted by the future of agri-tech and defense.
From raw components to precision engineering, our motors are crafted with care, tech, and pure Indian grit.
Now let's talk testing. We ran these motors for 500 continuous hours. That's right, 500 hours of pure grind, and they didn't break a sweat.
This test proves reliability, durability, and zero compromise on performance.
Plus, they're low maintenance, easily available, and ready to fly whenever you are.
Need help? We've got 24/7 support on standby, because real support never sleeps.
At Bharath Components, we deliver quality, innovation, and trust, powering the drones of tomorrow right here from the heart of India.